back at Almagre Mountain. I climbed South Almagre Mountain earlier this year, and now I'm back to climb North Almagre. My wife's mother wants 100 people to do a 10K for her birthday. So this is a little bit over 6 miles, which is basically right there. A little bit different than running a 10K, but this is my thing, so this is what I can do. Okay, done with the first steep section. It's really cool seeing pikes from this side. Don't often get to see it. And there's Almagre South, when I climbed before. A little bit over a mile in, so far so good. Wind's died down, but that's probably just because I'm kind of hidden between a couple of mountains. So far a lot easier not having to post hole through a bunch of snow. I already pointed out where I'm going. North Almagre, just got to go kind of up between a saddle and then over the ridge, over the summit. This is also where I'm going off trail a little bit, just to kind of cross over here and meet up the trail on that side. I don't think there's actually a marked trail anymore. Found some snow, just a little bit. Clouds building over the mountain behind me. We'll see what the wind does. And here is tree line. Nice. So close, right there. Woo. All right. There's the windy summit of Almagre Mountain North. Woo! Woo! Miles to the summit, just about 2 hours. I need to do some summit calls, but then I'll probably head down before too long. It's windy. All right, hung out up here for maybe 40 minutes. Yep, so it is time to pack up and head down. Back in the trees. I just hit 6 miles. So in just a little bit there will be the 10K that my mother-in-law was looking for, and I've still got quite a bit left to go. Back on the road, just a little teeny bit of uphill left, and then downhill to the car. Woo! That was harder than I was expecting, but I made it. It was worth it as usual. So almost back. And there we go, Almagre Mountain North. Grammy Sue, there is your 10K for your birthday, though it's closer to 8.15 miles. And it took 4 hours with 2,200 feet of gain, so that's not too bad. Whew. Thank you for watching.